We're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if you're yet to go and pick up your own Switch, then we'll go and put a link down below to Amazon. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel and no extra cost. But let's get started. So to go and open it up, all you need to do is go and flip it around, and at the back here there's a tab which you can go and pull out just like that. And then what we can do is open it up just like so, and the front will open. So let me just go and spin it around like that, and then we can go and open it up like this. On the top here we're greeted by the controller parts, so let's go and take these out just like so. And then over to the right we've gone and got the screen, so we can then go and take that out as well. It's all in sort of like a polythene bag. Actually this whole thing lifts out, which is even easier. So let me just go and take the screen out to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, there it is. On the right here, we then go and have the actual docking station. So as you can see, that's all in like bubble wrap, but we can go and open it up just like so. And if I get it in front of the camera, you can go and see it there. So the screen and would then dock into that there. And then on the left here, we've actually got the cables. So if we go and get that out, I believe this is an HDMI cable. So this will go and connect the docking station to your TV. And then we've got this is a power cable, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so this is I'm in the UK, so you've got the power brick here, and that would then go and plug into the docking station, or possibly even the screen directly itself as well, if you want to go and charge it. And then here, you've gone and got the actual controller. So what you can do is then go and put your controller together. And so here's everything here. So we've now unboxed it, and let's go and set it up. And that's going to be in a separate video. I hope you found this useful. Have an awesome day.